Hello, my name is Jonathan Helmke. I'm one of the librarians here at Stephen F. Austin State University. In this session, we're going to talk about ZoteroBib. ZoteroBib is a website that you can use to generate citations for your papers. This is a quick way if you have, let's say, 1 or 2 citations that you have to create, or let's say 3 or 4 or 5. I would say 1 to 5. If you had that within that range, ZoteroBib is a great tool to use. If you have more than that, I was just using the Zotero software that you can download. So if I go to zbib.org, you'll see this link, the search zbib.org. That's where you go for ZoteroBib. On the right-hand side, here's a link to the Zotero if you want to download the software. So on the ZoteroBib site, you can enter a URL, ISBN, DOI, or so forth from the website you found the article in. So I pulled up one of our articles here from Science Direct. That is from Active Materialia, and it's Mechanical Behavior of Structurally Gradient Nickel Alloy. Now, usually each article you'll see on these screens has a DOI. So usually I copy and paste that into our ZoteroBib and click on Cite. You can also do a manual entry here. If you click on that, you'll get a list where you can do a manual entry of if you want to type in the information. Since I have the DOI, I can do this and click Cite. And then it posts for that. Now, if you notice, it didn't really ask you for what style you want. If you go down here to the reference guide here, under Bibliography, you can select the style. So let's say you want APA. And you just click Yes. And then that will create the citation. Or if you need it in, let's say, IEEE, it'll also put in as an information. So then that way you can create that. Now what it does, it creates the numbering that you can use in the actual text of your document. So for example, if I do APA again, that it'll create then the Bibliography APA here, and then you'll have to create the citation that goes in the text of your document. But these are a quick way to get the bibliography at the end. So what you can do is you can copy and paste it from here, or copy the clipboard. Okay. Also, you can download, as you can save it to Zotero and so forth. So you can do a lot of good things. So here then, what I would do is if you click Copy Citation, then you can paste that right into your Word document. Or you copy the whole bibliography and so forth. So there's a way to copy that. So ZoteroBib is a great way to get your bibliography citations you need at the end. You still have to get the in-text citations, but at least you get the initial citations you need at the end, and then you can create the in-text citation. If you have any questions, please contact the library at www.sfasu.edu/library. That is our website here. And at the bottom here, you'll see the Ask a Librarian. Feel free to post questions there about ZoteroBib or Zotero. If you have questions about anything about creating citations for your papers, and you can ask any questions. Thank you and for your attention, and have a good rest of the day.